even when you don't say a word. It's loyalty when you're not around, respect behind your back, choosing you in rooms full of options. It's someone cutting off anything that threatens your peace or makes you uncomfortable. It's someone who can pull a smile out of you on your worst days. Someone who stays. Someone who chooses you every single day. That's what real love looks like. And if you ever find something like that, don't take it for granted. Don't play with it. Because that kind of love is rare.